All right, y'all. So this is the part that is probably going to give you your most creative space, but it might take a little bit longer than you would like because you do have to figure out where you're going to put your storyboard images. Now, I've already downloaded those images. They're already here. And so I can see them. And so now we're just going to figure out how we want everything to kind of look on the storyboard. And that does give you more flexibility and more creativity. So in order to kind of change things around, you see if you click on the text box, when these blue things pop up, you can just kind of go like that. And then you can add an image. And you can add that just kind of, you can go to upload, and I'm going to pick those up from my downloads because I did not save it. And so as you can see, I have, all the different downloads from the story. And this is the first one. Wait, I think I'm gonna go from here because, yeah, that helps me to see which one comes first. Because I have a lot of different ones all over the place. Here we go. And so then you can just drag it and drop it wherever. And so you see this text matches up with this here. And then we're just going to play with it a little bit. This is where the monster comes. Add an image. I just like them to be kind of side by side with the text, but you don't have to. You can make yours however. You can even make the text smaller if you want to make the image bigger. Sorry, I'm trying to, here we go. So it just depends on how you want your story to look. And so this is them talking about it's pitch black, I can't see anything. And so I think I want this over here just because I want the pictures to kind of go opposite ends. Like I said, you can literally do this however you want. This is where you'll probably, spend the most time just kind of seeing how you want everything to go. So I'm going to look at the pictures that I have left. This one is towards the end. This one, okay, so this one is where it's pitch black. So I am going to look and see. I don't know why that went all the way down there. And your picture just kind of adjust to where you put it. And I did not want mine to be there. I don't know why it did that, but I can just adjust my size a little bit. And so for this one, I just kind of put those kind of closer together. And okay. So I have two pictures, and then I have 2 pictures left. Let me see what this one is. One more time. This was the thumb one. Like I said, this one is probably going to take the most. Just because you're playing with it. And I want this one to be bigger. We're talking about thumbs. And then I think I want this one to be the same. It's the last one. And so because I do have that, no, I'll keep it there. And then that is how you create yours. Now let's say this isn't what you want at the end. You don't want for yours to end like that. That is totally fine. What you can also do is take one of your pictures and click change image from your title page, upload image, and maybe I want for this to be at the, in the title, so that now we have a conversation or something like that. That's also fine. If you don't like the way that looks, that's fine. You can change your header type to where you have a large banner. So look, now you can see more of the story and more of, the image that you have. And so you're just going to keep on, doop, doop, doop. You're going to publish once you're done. Publish. And then once you have finished with that, you are going to share with others. And by share with others, you are just going to share with me. So obviously this is mine, so my name is on here. You're going to add my name and then click done, and it will automatically go to me, just like any Google Docs that you have or anything like that. And keep in mind that this is a assessment, so this is a test grade. So you do want to ensure that you keep playing with this until you like the finished product. And something that you can do is go to view published site, and it will show you exactly how it would look to me as I'm grading. And keep in mind, I am grading how your images fit your story and the amount of details that you have, but everything else and the creativity is up to you. If you have any questions at all, please try your best to refer to the videos. And then if that does not help you, you are more than welcome to send me an email so that you can get a better understanding of the task.